you guys the snow and what Kansas City is looking at right now. It's crazy. Say hi, babe. Y'all can barely see him because he focused on driving, so I don't want to take his attention too much because we is driving over a bridge at this point. So let me go ahead and turn this mug around so y'all can see what's bracket. The lake over there is still cool. I don't think it's frozen right now, but look at this. My bad. Oh, this better lighting anyway. Y'all see all this snow? Like, just literally out of nowhere. Decided to do a whole little baby blizzard. Like, come on. Oh, snap, babe.
See, they don't hit it up here already.
No, they didn't.
Used to have, see, these streets are here. They don't hit them already.
They ain't hit nothing. Now I mean drive cray. Oh, man. It's so icky, y'all.
I'm glad we cleaned up our car last night.
Good morning to you, D-La Familia. You see how I'm your homie being talking about some ha-ha. I'm glad we cleaned up our car. This is how it looks out, guys. It's so beautiful, but it's so freaking cold, y'all.
And everybody else's car is covered.
Yeah. Babe, you think you gotta go to work tonight?
Yeah.
They say, nigga, you still coming. I preferably don't have to. Normally I would have, but all site coordinators got this one. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah, it looked like I'm gonna have to go to work tonight because the road's gonna be unclear about it. Tonight.
Hey, if snow plows out here don't be playing. They be on the road dead in the middle of the blizzard. But yes, this is the aftermath of the blizzard. It wasn't that bad. We drove actually during it to the store.
Just picture this. It was no snow on the ground yesterday.
It wasn't.
And we had at least inches up to...
Probably almost close to passing our tire. Kinda. And babe shoveled the mess out that driveway. And we got a up ramp. Babe, can you motion how the up ramp go? Because they can't see me. They can see you though. Baby, motion how our driveway goes up.
Go up a hill.
You so irritating. I throw this phone at you. It goes up a hill. Oh, then I just put the broke nail up in the camera. Dusty. Anyway, y'all, this is what we working with. I think, I don't know what babe's finna do, but I am about to go ahead and go get this tree done. Sorry about my hair, y'all. We came home and we was knocked out. Like, when I say out, like, out. But anyway, y'all, let's go get this tree together. Come on. Hey, La Familia. Dang, every time I get up on this mug, my wig looking a hot funky. Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. All right. So, we got a good go on the tree. Shout out to my sissy for helping me. Say hi, TT. She on the chair floating. She getting that top tree together. So far, let's get a close up on this bad to the boy. So far, we are doing, dropping stuff.
So far, we are dropping stuff.
Here you go. Okay, so we got some big snowflakes. We got some presents and shoes this year. Color scheme is colorful. Blue, really blue, green, pink, gold, and cream and silver. So it's really the main bright colors and then the regular colors that we always put, which is gold and silver. We got a fireplace over here. TT's giving thanks to by putting her big old booty on it. And then I think that's what we're doing so far today. Mama, I did not get to show y'all. Mama ended up finishing everything off for me since I did not get to do this portion. This is the outside railing. She finished this for me as well. You guys remember I stopped about right there. She got it done, got the lights going. And then as soon as we get done with the tree, we're going to light it up for you guys so you can see how it looks. And then we're going to light up the stuff in here so you guys can see how it looks on the inside. And then afterwards, we're going to unplug everything because we still got to save for that bill. All right, y'all. We'll be back.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all?
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh